Taxi driver reportedly abduct and sexually assault woman. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 36-year-old taxi driver has been charged with rape after he reportedly forced a female passenger who took his vehicle to have sexual intercourse with him on Barnett Street in St. James. Police said that the incident involved Duane Cunningham, otherwise called Courtney, of Adelphi in St. James, allegedly took place on Friday, June 24th. Reports from the Constabulary Communication Network are that a woman boarded the taxi and was informed by the taxi driver that he was waiting on other passengers who would leave work about 8 p.m. According to reports, the woman agreed with Cunningham, and Cunningham drove to a dark area at a petrol station where he proceeded to have sexual intercourse against her will. A report was made to the police and the woman was medically examined on Saturday, June 26. Cunningham visited the police station where he was pointed out by the female as the man who reportedly raped her. He was subsequently arrested and charged. Cunningham awaits his date for his court appearance. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.